I spent over $230 on YouTube's promotion beta to try to pop this channel off. And in this video, we're going to go over the results of those promotions. So quickly, to get to this, on your dashboard page, you're going to click content on the left. And then in the top tabs, you're going to scroll over to the right one, which says promotions beta. You can connect your YouTube channel to Google Ads and you can run promotions or advertisements for your videos directly within YouTube Studio. So scrolling down here, you see all of the videos that I've tested with YouTube Promotion Beta, and we're going to be going over the results. So quickly, how to set it up is click new promotion in the top right. You're going to add a video from your channel. Let's say this one right here. You're going to edit your promotion headline and description. I usually just use the video title. The promotion description is just my channel name. Click next. And then you're going to add all the countries that you want to see your promotion. I add every single country. I wish there was an all option, but I just keep going like this and I add all the countries. And then once that's done, I make sure to click this and I only choose English. That's very important. If you're an English channel, you don't want your videos being shown or your promotions being shown to people who don't speak your language. When that's done, click next. And in your budget, they always start you off with a gigantic budget. And they say right here in this box how much you're going to spend each day if you use your budget and that end date. I like to start with just 25 bucks per video and then give it just a couple days. So it's the 23rd right now. Let's say 1, 2, 3, let's say the 30th, about $5 a day. And they also, when you lower the budget, they also put this in the box. Promotions with a total budget of at least $125 tend to have better performance. We're going to test that out because I have all the stats and we're going to see if that's actually true. And then when you're ready, you're going to click promote. So let's exit this and let's go into my spreadsheet. Okay, I'll keep the totals a surprise to the end, but at the bottom here, this is all of my promotion videos I've been keeping track in a Google Sheets so we can see the exact numbers. So first one, I organize it by this. You got the day on the left side. You got your total spent. It's about $5 each day for this one. Total number of impressions, views, subscribers, cost per impression, cost per view, and cost per subscriber. So these are important metrics right here. And you can see for this video, starts off high and it starts to lower as it gets better at its targeting. And it seems to kind of hit a snagging point, at least for this video. Right now it's jumped up, cost per view has jumped up on the last day, and the cost per subscriber has jumped up. So usually when I start to see that, I pause the promotion or I cancel it and I funnel that money into other promotions where the cost per view, cost per impression, and cost per subscriber is going down. So that's my numbers for this video. Let's go to the Faceless Horror Channel video. Spent $32 total, got me 242 subscribers. Cost per impression was going down until about day 5 and then it started to go up again. Same with cost per view and cost per subscriber. Got down to as low as 10 cents per subscriber. And then the next 3 days it raised, so I paused this promotion. This video as well, spent a total of $44.52, got me 284 subscribers. Cost per impression continues to go down each day. Same with cost per view. We're now at a 0.18 cents per view. And the subscribers going down too, but that's still a little high based on my other videos. It's still about 15 cents. Let's click another one here. Spent a total of $30.35. Got me 188 subscribers. Cost per impression is still going down. Cost per view still going down. And cost per subscriber still going down. But its lowest point right now is about 16 cents per subscriber. This video seems to be my most successful promotion, so I'm pumping the most money into this. So far, it's spent $33.45. It's gained me 335 subscribers. The cost per impression is so low. The cost per view is about 1 cent. And the cost per subscriber is now dipped below 10 cents. It has been going up. As you can see from day 2, it hit a low point of 0.8 cents per subscriber. Absolutely amazing. About half as much as some of my other promotions. And it's slowly been going up and it's kind of settling at this 10 cents mark. But still, compared to my other videos, this is the best promotion so far. We got this one, Ultimate Guide to Automated Writing Comments. Spent a total of $25.22. Got me 283 subscribers. Cost per impression is very, very low. Cost per view is low. And look at this, cost per subscriber. I got it down to 9 cents with this video. It's still early in this promotion though. We'll see if it stays there, but that's pretty fantastic. 2 more to go here. Generate viral YouTube titles. Total about $17. Got me 192 subscribers. Cost per impression is very low. Cost per view way below 1 cent. And then look at this, cost per subscriber, about 9 cents per subscriber. So it looks like the promotions, even for my newer videos, tend to be doing better. I wonder if it's because we have more data since running the promotion overall on the channel. That seems to be the growing trend of all the newest videos. And my last one, creating a powerful Twitter bot. It's still early, so it's tough to get a good grasp on these numbers, but $13 spent, 86 subscribers, cost per view is about over 1 cent. Cost per subscriber so far is very high at 15 cents. Okay, let's go to the totals. Through all of my campaigns, I've spent a total of $230.14 on 746,000 impressions, 19,000 views, almost 2,000 subscribers, a total cost per view of just above 1 cent per view, and a cost per subscriber average of just over 12 cents, 12.5 cents. So I've spent $230 so far. I'm going to spend up to $500 to see exactly what it does. I think we need a good amount of money, a good amount of subscribers gained to see if this YouTube promotion actually works to grow a channel. I still think it's early, so I will do an update video once I've spent $500, but let's see if it's done anything to my channel. And I have noticed a few things. Before, I thought this was just garbage subscribers and garbage views, like this wasn't going to help my channel, but it seems to be doing some things. So first off, I've noticed that I've gained in the last 28 days 3,100 subscribers. And you look at this, it says I've only gained 1,849 subscribers. There's no way I've gained over 1,000 subscribers just naturally on my regular views. Because if you look at this, look at 1 subscriber, 8 subscribers, 6 subscribers, 3 subscribers. I've been uploading for almost 30 days and it's been a very consistent number below 10. Once I started the promotions, it hopped up, dropped back down. The promotion stopped for a few days as there was a bug, and then the promotion started running again. So I don't know if it's tracking my subscriber count properly. It seems that I'm getting way more subscribers for real than it's saying in my analytics on the promotions beta tab. So I think that's a good sign. Second thing I've noticed is you look at these jumps, kind of ruins your graphs because it's tough to see how many views you're getting per hour because of these large jumps when the ads actually start. And they seem to start at around 3 a.m. each day because I'm targeting worldwide, and you'd have like normal amounts and then jump up when the ads start again. And before, I wasn't getting this many views per hour. I was getting roughly 10 to 15 views per hour consistently, and it seems like I'm getting a lot more. So I don't know if it's my new subscribers checking out my other content, or if my higher subscriber and view count is raising me in the search results for other keywords that I was targeting on older videos. And I have a clue into that. I'm going to click see more, and I'm going to scroll down to see my best performing videos in the last 48 hours. And one that really stuck out to me is this how to make YouTube videos quick and free, because this is a really old video. Look when I uploaded this. I uploaded this on January 6, 2020, and it hasn't done anything. Let's click into the analytics. For its entire video life, it's been pretty consistent graph and it's been dying down. And you look at this last little bit, it's actually jumped up since I started the YouTube promotions. We've gained about 300 views in just under a week from this 3-year-old video since I started the promotions. And you look at this suggested in the last 48 hours. 98% of my views, it's given me 120 views in 2 days out of absolutely nowhere. This is a really old video. I don't even know if this is relevant anymore. I haven't even watched this video. So I think that's a good sign that the YouTube promotions has done something to some of my other videos. So really good sign. We don't want it just giving these empty views and empty subscribers. Really good sign. I'm going to go back to the analytics. Actually, let's go to the content. So before, when I uploaded a new video, it would get 0 to 5 views within the first 24 hours. Now this video got 57 views in a 24-hour period, which is 10 times what it normally get. Now, I don't know exactly what the cause for that is because I have been doing some other stuff, and 35% does seem to be external because I've been posting these videos on different subreddits and LinkedIn and Twitter and stuff like that. So that has something to do with it. But again, that's only 35% of the total traffic of these views. So to me, this is a good sign that it's working as well. That's 2 good signs it's working. And finally, the most important thing, if you go to the analytics, go to content, and then you click your impressions, because these natural impressions are what matter. Before I started uploading videos, about 900 per day. Once the video started, you got over 1,000 consistently. This is kind of when the promotion started, slowly going up, 2,000, dip back down on a Sunday. That's pretty normal. And we're getting a slow rise of impressions. So I'm going to need some more data here, maybe another 2 weeks to see if this increase of impressions is consistent. But this is the big thing, because this is organic impressions that's being sent throughout YouTube. You want this to be increased, because this times your impression click-through rate is going to give you your organic views. So I've watched a bunch of videos, I read a bunch of threads that YouTube promotion beta is not good for your channel. I'm slowly seeing the opposite. And I'm going to need some more data. I've done a lot of things like upload consistently, post my videos on other social platforms to get reach, and I've run Google ads on my videos. So it's tough to know exactly what's causing the bump in views, but whatever I'm doing is working and this channel seems to be growing at a consistent rate. Remember, a lot of these views are advertising views, so don't be fooled by this. But when we look into impressions, which is a really good indicator of the organic growth of your channel, it does seem to be going up, an upward trend in the upward direction. So I'll make another video once I've spent $500 to see if it is worth it, but I'm going to continue doing it. I feel like it's working based on what I know about my channel and the analytics that I've studied, but you can come to your own conclusions. So thanks guys, peace.